Hi there, it's me again, Kay, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys 6 Android Instagram Stories hacks. I'm actually also an iPhone user, and every time I search for tutorials for iPhones, there are a lot of tutorials available. But when you search for Android tutorials for Instagram Stories hacks, there's just a few. So I thought of sharing what I know to be able to help other Android users as well. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like the video and put your comments below if you know other Android hacks as well. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the first one is that we're gonna resize an image or a video within the Instagram app without using another app. So we're here on my Instagram page, and then let's create a story. So I'll just choose an image. Okay, so I'll use this image of monkey, and then it fills out the screen. Sometimes it can get overwhelming if the whole photo is occupying the whole screen. So what you can do, you can pinch the image to make it smaller. So there. And then you can move it around like this or like that. Or you can put it at the top of the page or at the bottom so you have space for text. So that's how you move around an image within the Instagram app without using another app. Okay, this time I'm gonna choose a video just to show you that it works for videos too. So I'm gonna click on this video, and you see it's occupying the whole screen again, and I just pinch it and move it around as well. Okay, so the next one is creating an animation with an image. So I just choose a wallpaper that I downloaded from Google. Okay, so we're gonna apply what we learned a while ago. This one is a small image, but I wanted to fill the screen, so I'm gonna stretch it out. Okay, so now that I'm happy with it, it's time to do the animation. So when you're using an Android, I don't know, but with my note, I have this option. Just click on the A on the upper right as if you were typing a text. And then instead of typing a text, click on this heart on the upper right of the keyboard, and then you'll see this screen. Just click on the background to choose your photo. So I'm gonna choose this cupcake. And then click on done. And then you can pick your pen type on the upper left. I usually choose the third one because it's the glittery one. So I'll choose that one. And then you can choose a pen color by clicking that. So I'm choosing pink. And then you can change the size of the pen as well. So I'll just use this size. And then once I'm happy with my selection, I'll just draw something on my screen. So I can put hearts. And then once I'm happy with that, I can just click on done. And it's gonna render or save the image. And then once it's done, it'll be ready there. So that's how you draw an animation on your image for your IG stories. I find this really, really cute, and I use this a lot actually. So you can make that image bigger and change it around as well. Okay, so the next hack that we're gonna use is how to frame this image. So go back to the typing tool, the upper right, the letter A, click on that. And then instead of typing again, click on the lower left where you see the hashtag thingy. There you go. So click on that, and then click the 1/2 on top of the ABC, and then choose the square. And then choose a color. So example, I want to choose the purple. Click on done. And then initially you'll think that it's not there, but try to move this around and you'll see that. So just make it bigger and then drag the photo again to put it inside. You can put your photo inside the square like this, or you can overlap it and create another design. And then you can type your text below and say, want some. Okay, so for the fourth hack, we're gonna use more colors for the text, or a gradient or rainbow text. So for this one, I'm gonna choose this image. Since I don't want filling up my screen, I'm gonna resize it again and put it somewhere here. So I'm gonna type something, say yummy. Below, you can see the circles with different colors, and usually we just pick from there. But if you're not happy with the colors that are given to you, you can tap on the circle or on a particular circle and then reveal this palette. So say for example, for this one, I want a different shade of red. I can choose it. Or I can click it again, and then I can use the dropper to select a color from the picture to ensure that it matches. So it can be that way, but I'm not happy with that. I want to try and show you the rainbow colored text or the gradient text. So let's click on the text again, select all, and then reveal the other colors. So let's go with the purple. So let's reveal the other colors. And then this is a bit tricky, but when you're used to it, it's really easy. So I'm gonna drag my finger from right to left on this color palette. But while doing that, I'm gonna drag this selector as well on the text. So I'm gonna do it together. Okay, so there you have it. It's now a rainbow text. So if you don't want a rainbow text, but you want a different effect using the same color family, you can just select the text again and then choose, say for example, in the red family. And I can start here and drag it. So that will give you an ombre color for your text. Okay, so for the fifth hack, we're gonna write using an eraser to reveal a part of an image that we want to use. So for this one, I'm gonna choose this image, and then I'm not gonna resize it because I'm gonna cover up anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna use the pen tool and then click on the water dropper and then choose a color from the screen, and then I'm gonna hold my screen ever so slightly and it will fill out the screen. But don't panic, the image is still there. Just click on the eraser tool and then write something. Say, let's chill. Okay, I don't know how to draw that much, but you get the idea, right? And if you make a mistake, you can just click on undo. But if you want to do it faster, you can just click on the pen tool again and then tap your screen ever so slightly and it will erase everything, and then tap the eraser tool again so you can draw. Okay, so the last hack is something that you might probably know already, but just in case you don't, this is how you create a clickable post when you have a new post on your feed. So say for example, this is a new post. I just click on this and then tap on the arrow or airplane or whatever that is, and then just click on add post to story. And then I'm not happy with the color. I want to change it maybe to black. I just click on the pen tool and then select black and then tap on my screen ever so slightly and it will be black. And then I can tap on the photo to make it look like it's a post. And then I can choose a GIF that says tap here. And then I can type new post. Okay, to make it more interesting, I usually cover my face when I share my new post. This way, they'll be curious on what I posted and actually tap here to go to the post. So that's it, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking for a video tutorial for Android IG Stories hacks. Thank you for watching. Till my next video.